good gang? Right now we're at nice cliff jumping and waterfall spot. We gotta hike down to it right now though. Got the gang, got Matthew right there. We got Garrett. That's gonna be a crazy day. Started of summer. Let's get this bread.
Yeah. Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball, mirror, mirror hanging on the wall. Who the flyest white boy of them all? Got your girlfriend screening all the calls. She bubbling, we and then you cuddling like baby, where the you been? I wanna tell you she in love with him. So we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing, cause she kissed you with the mouth she gave me with my concussion. Yeah, she blushing, all red. Wanna rush and go to bed. You interrogate that like you the fed. So she says she in love with a rock star. Wanna smoke my weed, so she asked me where the tops are. Oh, top drawer. Oh, yeah. Honey, I need you. Just a motherfucking kiss. Oh, like money, yeah, Pittsburgh. Hey, I just wanna inform y'all, I'm drunk as most dope. Hey, kids, what's up? I'm dessert. I graduate. Oh yeah, I just graduated high school. Haha. Hey homie, don't be mad that your girl loves me. Don't cut anything yet. It's not my fault. Yeah, I'm just doing me. If a girl love me, let her love me. You feel me? So baby, baby, don't cry. I wanna fly. You by my side.
What's up, vlog? We're here with Antonio.
Hey guys. My last day at school got John acting up, bro.
We just finished our last project for lit. It's lit. It's lit. Antonio, I'm stealing the vlog. I'm a permanent vlogger now. This shout out to Jacob. Jacob said he likes my vlog, so bring you Jacob Perry.
Bro, you're finna get a copyright strike, bro.
Oh, Antonio, get this one.
Get 30.
Oh no, so that's stop.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Antonio, get this in the vlog. God, we're so silly. Dude, chill. That's not it. So, no, don't be a goofy. Don't be a goofy club, bro. Your impending doom now awaits.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.
Spread out. Hey, I'm like meditation quiet. My mom's in that. So you can go anywhere around here. This is my gift. If you go on the field, do not.
Hey, filming an outro from the Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic vlog coming next week. Gonna go brazy. Got to 100 views under the baby video. But anyways, I was like, you know what? Freak it. We're gonna give away 3 different baby dollars, even though I only got 100 views. So if you're one of your names on the screen right here, you won. Congrats. DM me on Instagram, and we'll give you a baby dollar to you.
Go up from behind. I'm not about to do that. Go up behind, like right there.
Or he likes this side.